Wondering what's included in a cleaning service? Let's break it down, starting with one of the busiest areas in any home, the kitchen. Cleaning teams follow the golden rule, always clean from top to bottom. This method ensures that any dust or debris that falls during the cleaning process gets picked up in the final steps, making the cleaning process more efficient. First, countertops are cleaned and sanitized to remove dirt, grime, and bacteria, leaving safe surfaces for food preparation. Kitchen fixtures and faucets are polished to a shine. Appliance exteriors are wiped to eliminate grease, fingerprints, and everyday messes. And finally, all kitchen floor surfaces are thoroughly cleaned for a fresh and tidy finish. These tasks are included in the cleaning scope, unless you specifically request otherwise. Since your final bill is based on the time spent cleaning, feel free to narrow down the scope if you're working with a specific budget.